Imagine a future where trust in American institutions is restored, where citizens feel confidence in their institutions. We are tackling the critical issue of declining public trust head-on. In higher education, inquisitive and pioneering minds have embraced big questions and have delivered transformative solutions over centuries. Public trust and support have always driven our efforts, but when that trust begins to diminish, it's essential that we fall back on what we do best: listen, learn, and deliver bold solutions to regain that trust.
Rebuilding trust is essential for a thriving society. The Center delivers a transformative support ecosystem to over 100,000 under-resourced founders. When people trust in institutions, innovation flourishes and economic growth is generated for all.
By bridging the gap between research and real-world outcomes and harnessing the power of philanthropy, we can create evidence-based solutions that benefit Americans from all walks of life. Polarization thrives in an environment of mistrust. We're here to change that narrative.
Our proposal doesn't just theorize, it actually delivers concrete results. We've already seen the positive impact of trust-building initiatives on families and communities across the country.
This is more than a proposal. It's a movement of many actors to reshape the future of American society. It's time to get to work.